Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Martine Chiella. In this video here, I'm going to be showing you guys another haul, and this one is another Dollarama haul. I'm also going to be sharing with you a little mini Walmart haul as well. I'm just going to collaborate everything together because the next video I'm looking to do is more so how I set up the stuff. So this one is more so a haul. I'm just going to show you everything in no particular order. I'm going to start off with the Dollarama stuff first. Then I'm going to move on to the Walmart stuff. Okay, so I'm going to actually combine both of them. I will put a notice in the transition when I move on to the Walmart stuff. I'm also going to notify you guys that. So I'm not going to be really in the shot. Yes, I'm decked out in my festive top for you guys, as you can see. And that right there is my little mini cocoa station. I did put up a video on how I put it together, and there's also a video showing you guys where I got everything from as well, so you can check that out. It's going to be linked in the description down below. So let's get going with this haul. Okay, come along.
So right now we are in Walmart. Okay, we're just gonna go around Walmart for a little bit, see the prices, see what they are carrying this holiday season, the things that they're putting up. You're gonna see, the type of trends, that the direction that they're going. You're seeing a lot of Christmas sweaters, those Christmas sweater PJ themes again, this year. It's pretty big. They have a lot of variations here, from onesies to two-piece to family matching. So definitely a lot of these happening again this year, and the prices are pretty good. Like right here we have a set, and it's only about $14. There's definitely a lot of little things that you can add to your living room just to spruce it up and get the holiday vibes on the budget without having to break the bank. And the most simplest way to do some of these things is simply by just maybe including a throw or changing the pillow covers. Okay, so here are some of those wrapping boxes that you put Christmas gifts into. They're fairly reasonable prices. They had the socks with initials on there, and lots of different kind of ornaments for any kind of theme that you might be going for, and at reasonable price. Okay, so this year I decided to stick into more traditional colors. It was something that I did the year before that. However, y'all know that I lost everything in the house flood that we had, and so I am back to square one. We are looking for a tree, we are looking for decor, but we're not going to be squeezing the budget that much. Okay, when it comes to Christmas stuff, okay, what happens is, if you are looking for pieces, you collect a few one year, and then the following year after that you can collect a few more pieces until you have a good selection. You have to shop within the budget that you have set up for yourself for the year. It just makes things super easy. Okay, so let's go back into looking at some of these things right here. I don't want to bore you with a lot more here, but look at these pieces here. These are versatile right here. I don't remember the name for this, but these pieces are versatile. You can put candles, you can do so much with it. I picked up a pack of this wrapping paper. I wanted to do traditional colors, but I didn't have like the image of how everything was going to go in my mind. So I just picked up a few things in the red and green colors. But look at this selection right here. These are cute little pieces, figurines, homes, trees that you can put on a mantle, entryway table, and super good price. Look at that reindeer at the bottom. The price was like $12, $14. They had some beautiful wreaths here. I was looking at it, I was like $39.98. I was like, it's nice. It's not big. For me, I can probably pull off that as a DIY for way cheaper. A lot of these. So with a couple of picks of my choice and my theme color or anything like that, I can probably pull this off. So I did not get one. You guys saw the one that I put together using the Dollarama stuff. I'm going to try to insert it for you guys right here. Okay, so here's the clip of the one that I did using only Dollarama stuff and leftover ribbon from the year before. Isn't this amazing? Like, you can't even tell. So we're going to go back to the Walmart walk around, okay? So back again. Okay, so we are back from that clip out. So we are back in the ribbon section. In this particular Walmart, the ribbon selection was not huge, okay? It was basic. So we are home right now. You guys are looking at everything that I just picked up. Oh my goodness. So starting off with the Dollarama stuff, these two little pillows here, 18 by 18. I picked up these at my local Dollarama. Yes, like I couldn't believe this was there. I'm like, oh my goodness, these are super cute. $5 for $5. Little accents that I can just throw on the couch. Amazing. And these two little figurines here, I thought they were super cute. I was thinking of putting them on my nightstand, my night dresser. So, and this little reindeer here, I picked up this one off of from the Dollarama. So these pieces I'm showing you guys, Dollarama. It was way cheaper at a dollar store than Walmart, so I picked it up there. Another two cushion covers, okay, pillow covers, okay. I picked up these two. I'm gonna do something with them. They were fairly reasonable, $4 each. I picked up two, and they're both 18 by 18. I picked up a couple of these ribbon. The two colors that I picked up was this gold right here to complement this red velvet right here. I absolutely love this. I picked up some pillow covers off of Amazon in that color, so this is gonna go very well. So I was happy to find that. Of course, you guys know I love candles, especially candles that have a little theme to it. This one was super cute from the Dollarama, and I decided to take it. Definitely will find a spot for it to nestle it somewhere. And I think it's just super cute. And it smells great, by the way. It smells super nice. Moving on to these acorns right here. I picked them up at the Dollarama as well. There's like a set of 9 in here for like $2 and something. I was thinking of putting them in a bowl. And I picked up also a couple of picks. This one was a nice gold, and I picked up 3 of these. I'll find a spot for them, whether it's on the tree or something. And I picked up this as well, these little flickering small lights. I'll see where they can go. These garlands here, this is the one that I used to do my DIY wreath. And this, I'm going to try to do a DIY over in the kitchen as well as my living room. And these skinny one as well, they go for like $4 depending on which one, and sometimes $5. I like these. Sometimes I cut them up and I use them up. However, we are definitely going to be doing a lot of DIYing. And yes, I picked up a couple of command strips and hooks, things that I'm going to be needing, accessories to deck out the tree. Moving on to Walmart stuff, I picked up this throw right here. I loved it. It is soft and nice, so it's definitely going to be a good one for us to snuggle in a couch with. Very soft and nice. And the other thing that I picked up from Walmart was these set of ornament. There's 70 pieces in this one right here. It is like it's not like a sharp gold. I don't know I'm not sure what kind of gold they call this one, but it has like a little bit of white. And these were the other ribbons that ornaments that I picked up. A set of 26 in here, and these ones I believe were $9, $9.98. Yes. And this is another pillow, accent pillow from Walmart. It has like that sweater material to it. It was $22.88. Of course, my daughter already picked up one of the pom-pom at the end, so I have to fix that. And these super cute picks, I thought these were super cute. I picked up about 4 of these. They have a red little bird in there, and I thought it's gonna be a good accent in the tree. Of course, command strip is your best friend when you don't want to be poking holes all over your house, whichever holidays or whatever thing you want to do around the house. And this was another little filler for the tree. And of course, y'all saw when I picked this up. And that's it.
Okay guys, so that was pretty much it for the haul. My intentions for the following video is just pretty much try to set up everything that we have thus far, and we're gonna see also what is missing, so we'll know what to go out and get but still try to remain within budget. That's what is up for the next video. Probably we're gonna try to do a little something up here in the kitchen here, right at the top here, with some of the stuff that I got. I hope I got enough stuff, and so you guys will get a chance to see the tree that I got and like put together and everything. Like I said, if he needs anything more, we'll definitely be going out and doing a little bit more tweaking. But for now, I didn't want to break the bank, but I still wanted to bring in a little bit of those pops of red and green, you know, just for the holidays, more the traditional stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you subscribe and come back for additional videos. Just turn on your notification bell down below so you're not going to miss another video from me. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye for now.